How to unlink your bank account from Moneylion. Alright, let's get started. Today, we are going to walk through the steps to unlink your bank account from Moneylion. Maybe you found a new financial app or just want to streamline your accounts. No worries, we have got you covered. First things first, open up Moneylion app and log into your account. And once you are logged in, go to the center bank, tap on it and scroll down. And over here you can see an option for the link account. Simply tap on it. Right now I haven't linked any account. However, if you have linked earlier, you will see it over here. I'll be explaining the rest process. Now from the list of all accounts, find the bank account that you want to unlink. Got it? Great. Now tap on that account. After that, you should see a little pencil icon or an option that says Manage. Tap on it to start editing the account details. Scroll down until you find an Unlink or Disconnect button. It may sound a bit scary, but it's what you are looking for. Tap on Unlink and you might get a prompt asking why you want to disconnect. Choose the region that best fits your situation. Finally, confirm your choice. And just like that, your bank account is no longer linked to Moneylion. It's a super simple process, but remember, if you ever want to link it back, you can always add it through plus button that says link an account over here. That's it for today. Hopefully, this quick guide was helpful. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.